All right, in this next worksheet, we're going to look at angle-side-angle congruence. I've already talked about what it means for two triangles to be congruent. In the particular case of angle-side-angle congruence, it means that if we know that two angles and the side in between them in one triangle correspond and are congruent to two angles and the side in between them in the other triangle, then we know that the two triangles are congruent. Let's take a look. Here, in this triangle here, we know by the double tick marks that this side right here is congruent to this side right here. We also know, because of the single arc, that this angle is congruent to this angle right here. And we know by the double arc that this angle is congruent to this angle right here. So we know that we have angle, angle, side, side, angle, angle. So these two triangles share an angle, a side, and an angle in that order. So they are congruent by angle, side, angle. And keep in mind, all of the triangles, pairs of triangles in this worksheet are either congruent by angle, side, angle, or they're just not congruent. Things to keep your eyes peeled for while you're doing these: shared sides, like right here, and vertical angles, like down here. Okay, we've seen that a few times already. Let's take a look over here. These, for example, right here, they share an angle, corresponds to this angle over here. This angle, we know from the arcs, corresponds to this angle. And this angle right here, being a 90-degree angle, corresponds to that angle there. But because they don't have any congruent sides, we need to know that, say, this side here was congruent to this side here, then we'd have angle, side, angle. But we don't, so not congruent. All right, again, this is very similar to angle, angle, side. And keep in mind, like I said before, if you got two triangles and they have any two angles congruent to each other, one triangle to another, and any side, then you have enough information to know that they're congruent. But you just have to decide, are you dealing with angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side, like we dealt with in the last worksheet. Okay. All right, make sure you check your answers before you're done, and good luck.